Ever had a great product idea, but no clue where to start? Today, we'll break down how to turn that dream into reality, even if you're starting from scratch. All right, let's dive in. Imagine you've got this amazing product idea, but you're overwhelmed. No business background, and you're strapped for cash. Sounds familiar? Don't worry. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you out. First, understand the costs. Can you make the product yourself, or do you need to hire a factory? If it's the latter, get some quotes. You might be looking at a significant investment, sometimes up to $100,000, but don't let that scare you off. Next, network within the industry. If you don't know anyone who manufactures similar products, now's the time to start making connections. This could be through trade shows, online forums, or even reaching out directly to companies. One smart move is to consider licensing your idea. This means selling your idea to a bigger company and earning a fee. It's a good way to get your product out there without the risk and cost of manufacturing yourself. But remember, you'll need a patent first, which can cost around $10,000. If budgeting is tight, say your household income is around $30,000 to $40,000 a year, taking out a large loan isn't the best idea. The risk of bankruptcy is real, especially if you're new to the industry. So, what can you do? Look for local resources. Maybe there's a plastic molding shop nearby that can help you develop a prototype. Offer them a stake in your idea in exchange for their expertise and resources. Once you have a prototype, you can apply for a patent and start talking to retailers. Walk into local stores and pitch your product. Ask them, if you had 10 of these on the shelf, could you sell them? Gathering this kind of market feedback is invaluable. Creating a physical product is challenging, especially with limited resources. But with the right partnerships and a clear strategy, you can make it happen. Remember, legalregistration.com can help you navigate the complexities of starting your business. Visit legalregistration.com or call 877-955-7111 for expert assistance. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more tips and insights. And I'll see you in the next video.